Jeff, 8 years later, do you think we'd be pulling this bitch back out?
No.
There you go.
You just never know.
You just never know. There she is. Most people's finding out just now. The Dreamcicle is blown up and she's coming out. Oh well. All right, jump ahead 15 minutes. We got her pulled apart. This actually breaks my heart to have to do this, but it's gonna be better things coming. We're gonna do a lot of stuff while this motor's out. So there you go. So I had to run over to the barn and grab this motor plate off my old motor, but check out what we got here still. Look at her. That's a badass old car there. 55 tilt front end. Just been sitting for a minute. I know, boys. I know. I'm going to get back on her. Look at her. So, all right. Well, let me get this motor out. Getting the motor left from the barn to the other shop. We couldn't get the tractor started, so we had to wheel it. Well, they were wheeling it. All right. It's the next day, of course. Just got to pull that pin right there. Both sides. Everything else is unbolted. Get this thing pulled out of here, get it on the truck, and get it down to the machine shop, a motor builder. And then this car is going off the paint. Got some things that need touched up, and I want to do some work in this firewall and just some other stuff. So, all right, let's get it the hell out of here.
Oh, we gotta get that. Forgot something.
What we got? There she is. Here we come, Jimbo and racing engines. We decided to go with John Deere power. Now, right now, we're going to tow the car back over to the other shop from the barn, and we're going to get it ready. It goes out to the paint shop next weekend, so we got a lot to get done before it heads out there, so we needed a John Deere to pull us over. All right, you can see here we got the master cylinder pulled out and the steering column. We had to get inside here and get the brake pedal assembly down so we can get the clutch pedal off. We didn't want to grind inside the car because it's just carpet and it's just, no, we don't want to do that. But we're going to take this console out with us when we pick up the shifter, and that way we can match something up that fits right. And also we want to get colors to match the interior so we can keep that tan flow or cinnamon color flow moving pretty good through the interior and not a black shifter. So yeah, it should be nice. It was a little muddy outside, but we'll clean them up. So we're going to have some touch-up paint on the body, and we're also going to have the under the hood painted orange and the rest of the firewall black. All right, so we got rid of the Tremec 5-speed. We're going with this 400 turbo here. It's got a reverse manual valve body, and it does have a little extra to it. It has a trans brake in it just for fun. It should be just fun to just launch this bad boy. We also got, Jeff and I both got our headers ceramic coated. They both turned out great. I'll put a link to the guy. All right, so you can see the steering column's out right there. We got to put that back in today before we take it over so we can drive it on and off. And yeah, I hate to see her down, but it's all for good. It's all for good. We get the new motor. Of course, we get the new transmission. Here we go inside. I hate working on a car once it's been done, but hey, it is what it is. So it's all for the better. We'll get some things fixed up on her and she'll be good as new. Although I hate to have it down, we've still been having fun with the truck, hanging out. Bob even pulled off a win, if some of you might know. And we're still hanging out with our buddies, so everything is good to go. There's Mike and Jeff, so we're still having fun. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. More updates are coming on the Dreamcicle. Good things are coming. So hopefully we get her done fast enough. Get out there and get some car shows this year. So, all right, we'll see you soon and look forward to more updates.